Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be doing the In the Dark palette with the new shimmer shades by Unearthly Cosmetics and playing with a couple of these new like badass shimmers. I don't really know what the deal or if they're called something special or whatever, but I used a couple of these. And another little surprise, a fucking secret surprise. You guys stay till the end. You won't be sorry. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look or hearing my final thoughts on all these new shimmers, or if you want to hear my little secret, then hang out. Okay, so Unearthly Cosmetics, apparently people were like requesting that there was like different colored shimmers in the dark palette. And so the owner listened and she said, I saw a post on Instagram that said like, you asked, we listened. And so she put some new colors of shimmers in the palette. She also sent me these really fucking awesome shimmers that I really want to try, but I feel like I would be kind of missing the point because the point is for me to try these two shimmers, and so it's a dilemma. But I will tell you right now, I'm going to start with this blue because I haven't tried it yet, and I'm using my MORPHE JH32, which has been my new like thingy poo, my new boo, and I'm just gonna start packing that into the outer V and running it along my crease with this bigger brush because it seems like fun. It seems like the fun thing to do. Kick that pinky out, sis. I'm just gonna build this until I get something really fucking... I have filmed so many videos that need to be edited. It's crazy. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna do something that might not work, which it's been a while since you guys have heard me say that. That's crazy. That's crazy that it's been this long since you've heard me say that. I'm nervous that this color combo that I'm gonna choose is not gonna work. And so, you guys know, whenever I think, I don't think that's gonna work, I fucking do it anyway. It's just been a while since I've done it because, I don't know. That's not where my creative pattern was going. Okay, I'm going to go into Obscure, and I'm going to use that to blend this out. And I honestly don't know how well it's going to work. And I'm using my, oh, that's going to work fucking famously. I'm using my ZOEVA 227. And I am going 50% on and 50% off. Even though these brushes are bigger, I feel like I can still do it. With these ones that are shaped like this, you know, I use brushes that are shaped, they're like that. You see, they're like pinched. So they're like flat and wide, flat, wide. You guys see it? Those of you who have the ZOEVA set or the Jessup set, I know that a few of you have ordered the Jessup set upon my reference. And so if you have the Jessup set, honestly, in the Jessup set, this brush is actually a little, it's not quite the same. This one's a little bit fatter when it's sideways. See, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this one's a little longer and a little thinner. Just a tiny bit longer and skinnier. I like this green. It's really army. It's like really army. God, you can barely even see that on my camera. What the fuck? It's really camouflage. Can't even see me. Okay, I'm going back into Paranormal. I'm just leaving that inner corner open because you guys know I never decide until the last minute whether I'm going to go all the way with one color or if I'm going to put like some kind of contrast there. I really like to play with the inner corner. I forgot how much I like to play with the inner corner. On my Patreon the other day, I did a look where I kind of went like, did something really unexpected on the inner corner. Like I didn't even expect it, and I fucking forgot how much I love doing that. So you guys might see a little bit more of that from me. I just don't know if it'll be today, because I just don't know. I'm going to use my Made by Mitchell ME2, because this is like my favorite deepening brush, basically, and I'm going to use In the Dark to deepen that blue. Actually, I'm going to do the blue because I feel like I want the blue to be like more opaque. That looks fucking really cool. Now I'm going to do this in the dark. And I'm just going to kind of toy with this until I get what I want, like the pure evil that I am. Damn, that looks fucking really good. Holy shit. And I'm going to dip into Obscure. Wow, I'm in fucking love with this. Holy shit. You literally can hardly see that. I am definitely not going to use that big ass brush. I'm going to use my Morphe M506. And I'm going to go into Paranormal, and I'm going to take that along my lower lid. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of doubted this blue. I don't know. I just thought it might, I don't know. I just thought it might look a little bit, I don't know. It just looked a little shady to me. Shady. Shades. I'm going into Obscure with my same brush, my ZOEVA 227. Doing it again. Went in for a little dippy poo. Damn. That looks so good. I think I'm going to go use Preternatural in the inner corner, and I'm going to use my Spectrum A08, which is my favorite brush for this because I really like just going fucking balls out over here. Oh, wow. Mm-hmm. Man, I am such an artist. That looks so good. Okay, I can't stop. I'm just gonna be like, oh, all this purple. Okay. I don't think I heard it by doing that, but I don't think I added anything to it by doing that. She's a beaut. Now I'm just gonna go in the dark like fucking crazy. I swear that in the dark is making this more turquoise, and it's like purple. Is it me? Oh, here, let's put a little... Pretty. Okay, I can't fuck around with that too much on the outer corner right there because sometimes when I overblend right there, it makes it look like dirty and spotty, and then I have to go in and fucking dab it out. Like, you know, dab, dab, dab. I feel like I already did that and it's already doing that, so I have to like fix it. I look like I'm in the dark right now, don't I? Fuck, that looks so good. I just can't use these with this look. I have to fucking go, I have to go blue and purple. It's just, wait, what if I said, I know, I can do something. I can do a little something something here. I'm gonna use my P. Louise cut crease brush. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to use my ZOEVA 230, whatever, 234. I'm going to go into this golden color called Lit. And I'm going to take that across the top. My line, I fucked my line up with that shitty ass fucking, that brush was a little crusty. And now I'm gonna go into Numinous. I'm really excited about. Oh my word. Yeah, the contrast against this is gonna be so fucking good too. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's really nice. And then just had to wait for that fucking glue to dry. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's fucking beautiful. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this back. Now I'm going to go in with this in the dark. And then what else can I do? Okay, I know what I can do. I can just put a little, like, I'm going to use the color, man, this is fucking pretty, Ignite. It's the like purpley-ish one. And I'm going to use that and my right here. That's perfect. It actually matches that color in the dark like perfectly. So you can't see it that well because it's like, it's over the top. Like the color that it's covering is like so similar, but that fucking looks really pretty. And then I'll go in with my ZOEVA 230. That was my alter ego number 7. And I'm gonna go into Illusion. And I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure what I expected this to be, but it caught me off guard. Okay. What I expected it to be was a little bit more like what it looks like up here. It is really blue, but it looks really purple over the top of that purple. So that's why. And I'm just gonna go in with my ZOEVA 227 and give this a little blendy poo. What's going on here? What have I done? What's... easy. Just gave it a little dippy poo. Wow. Damn, that looks fucking good. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So, this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Electra. I never used to like these ones that much, and then one time I wore them and I liked them, and then I just liked them after that. I'm wearing my Alien, they're the Unearthly Cosmetics lipsticks, but they're still in the Alien Cosmetics packaging. These were kind of like the final wave of Alien packaging. And this is the color Angela, which I fucking love. And I used my Urban Decay 24/7 gel liner in in alkaline. Oh, and I used this is like this is the goods right here. I used my low light palette and I used the color Meteoroid as my highlighter, and it's fucking really cool looking. If you can see that golden. It's like golden. I feel cute as fuck right now. Honestly, I feel like this bow really pulled everything together. Shoot. I am also wearing my Menagerie Arthurine palette, blush palette in Dog Rose. I feel like this is one of my favorite blushes. I feel like it's really different. I actually feel like all of these blushes are like so different. Between these and the Alien, basically, or the Unearthly, what else do you need? Oh, Oh, maybe the Give Me Glow eyeshadow palette with the 2 skulls on it? Anyways, okay, so my thoughts on this palette. I feel like these 2 shimmers are pretty stunning, and I don't mean like stunning. I just mean like stunning, right? They are beautiful. The purple is amazing. That golden color that I use mixed with this purple is, I mean, obviously, I mean, what can I say about it? It's fucking beautiful. And I feel like this is actually kind of a trickster where, let me see, what does it actually look like? Okay, look at that. That's cute. That's like baby turquoise blue. And then what does this actually look like? Ooh, boom. Yeah, so I feel like this is kind of shifty, like over the top of the purple, it looked a little more purple, and then over, when it was over the green, it looked a little more blue, which is nice. They're both really nice. I feel like this look, also that color, those 2 colors together underneath, dude, I just really like this color combination, and you guys know I like that fucking dragon shit. I am a dragon, and so I like looking like one, that's all I can say. I'm so stupid. That's the next thing I'm going to say. Here's the moment that I have all been waiting for. So a couple weeks ago in my last PR package, Unearthly Cosmetics sent me the All I Ever Wanted, the original. It's an extra. Like, I already have the All I Ever Wanted palette, and so I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I'm giving away the All I Ever Wanted palette to somebody in the theme of the All I Ever Wanted. I want you guys to tell me in the comments, and you're gonna have to give me time to read them all and to like respond and everything, but let me know in the comments, like, what is your dream? Like, what is all you ever wanted? What is your like thing that you like aspire to, or like you think, when I grow up I want to be a, or like if you know, maybe it's your family, maybe you just wanted to be a mom, or maybe you just wanted to be a fucking whatever, but like I want to hear some fucking juicy shit. So tell me in the comments what your dream is. You obviously have to be subscribed to my channel, and then I'll let you know who the winner is. I'm gonna give away an All I Ever Wanted palette. Isn't that exciting? Oh my god! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. This time the comments are gonna be like, woo! You guys are gonna be coming at me. So, tell me your dreams, guys. Tell me your dreams. Tell me your deepest dreams. If you got like halfway through this video and you're like, oh my god, this girl is so cute until she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check out my Instagram, because I don't talk as much on Instagram. And if you're like, don't sugarcoat it, Katie, why don't you tell us how you really feel, then go check out my Patreon, because I actually talk about some spicier shit on my Patreon. I don't really hold anything back. Honestly, I don't really hold much back on my channel, but what I do hold back, I make sure and fucking divulge on my Patreon. So go check it out. The link is in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later. I love you guys so much.